हेलो एवरीवन, आज हम लेकर आए हैं जीके के क्वेश्चंस जो काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस हैं। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, हु वाज द फर्स्ट वुमेन चीफ मिनिस्टर इन इंडिया? आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए, सुचिता कृपलानी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, हाउ मैनी ईयर्स इन द टर्म ऑफ ऑफिस फॉर द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया? Answer is 5 years. Question number 3. In which year GST was introduced in India? Answer is 2017. Question number 4. Agartala is the capital city of which Indian state? Answer is Tripura. Question number 5. Which state is known as the heart of India? Answer is Madhya Pradesh. Question number 6. Where was the electronic voting machine first used in India? Answer is Kerala. Question number 7. Who is the father of fundamental rights of India? Answer is Sardar Patel. Question number 8. How many official languages are there in India? Answer is 22. Question number 9. Which state in India shares boundaries with maximum number of states? Answer is Karnataka. Question number 10. Which is the most poorest state in India? Answer is Bihar. Question number 11. What is the name of the smallest Indian state by population? Answer is Sikkim. Question number 12. Onam is a famous festival of which Indian state? Answer is Kerala. Question number 13. Who is known as the father of modern India? Answer is Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Question number 14. What is the national song of India? Answer is Vande Mataram. Question number 15. Who is known as the father of Green Revolution in India? Answer is M.S. Swaminathan. Question number 16. What is the name of the first Indian satellite? Answer is Aryabhat. Question number 17. Which Indian state is known as the land of rising sun? Answer is Arunachal Pradesh. Question number 18. Who was the longest serving president of India? Answer is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Question number 19. Kuchipudi is a classical dance form of which Indian state? Answer is Andhra Pradesh. Question number 20. How many lions are there in the national emblem of India? Answer is 4. Question number 21. Who gave the slogan Jai Jawan Jai Kisan? Answer is Lal Bahadur Shastri. Question number 22. Who is known as the Iron Lady of India? Answer is Indira Gandhi. Question number 23. When is National Voters Day celebrated in India? Answer is 25th January. Question number 24. What is the name of the Indian Space Agency? Answer is ISRO, ISRO. Question number 25. Which is the largest temple in the India? Answer is Shri Ranganathan Swami Temple. Question number 26. Which Indian city is known as the City of Pearls? Answer is Hyderabad. Question number 27. Who was the first woman ruler of India? Answer is Razia Sultan. Question number 28. What is the national slogan of India? Answer is Satyamev Jayate. Question number 29. Who gave the title Mahatma to Gandhiji? Answer is Rabindranath Tagore. Question number 30. Who is the architect of the Indian Constitution? Answer is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Question number 31. Who gave the slogan Jai Hind? Answer is Subhash Chandra Bose. Question number 32. Who was the first Indian woman to receive Bharat Ratna? Answer is Indira Gandhi. Question number 33. Which city is known as the Gateway of South India? Answer is Chennai. Question number 34. When was the first general election held in independent India? Answer is 1951. Question number 35. What is the minimum age limit to be a state governor? Answer is 35 years. I hope वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा होगा तो प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल. थैंक यू.